All right, guys. So we were eating at Hooters the other day with a couple buddies, and it looks like we've landed a job. So, like I said, we were eating at Hooters the other day. Got to talking about the manager sitting out on the back patio there. Obviously, needs to be cleaned. There's all kinds of dirt, grime, and grit out there. So we worked out a deal with them. Originally, we were just going to do the patio for like 300. This turned into a patio, sidewalk, and even a dumpster pad. We cleaned this with a little bit of degreaser, Zep degreaser, which is kind of expensive. You can get it at Lowe's and Home Depot, I believe. Going forward, if I was going to do it again, I would get sodium hydroxide. I'd head over right over to Amazon or wherever. You can get it for about $4 a gallon. So if you're buying like cleaner, $16 to $30 for degreaser per gallon, Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. But for $4 a gallon, and we only used about a gallon and a half, cut the grease right there, right off that deck for you. So on the dumpster pad, we kind of attacked this dumpster pad wrong. I'd never seen one this dirty before. Usually just a light degreaser would take care of it. Again, sodium hydroxide is what's needed. You can see as we're cleaning it using cold water, it's just blowing the grease around. The degreaser loosened it up a little bit but didn't take care of it. Going forward, 6 ounces of sodium hydroxide. Spray it on there. It literally melts it off. You don't need a hot water machine. Cold water will do it. We'll show you some before and afters here in just a second. But this was a complete waste of time. We even tried hot water with the Zep cleaner. It just didn't do it. All you do is blow the grease around. You want to be careful when you're doing these dumpster pads, these wood fences that are painted. You can blow the paint completely off of there. So either hot water and any degreaser or sodium hydroxide and cold water will work, even as low as 40 degrees. There's your before. There's your after. Again, sodium hydroxide, 6 ounces per gallon of water. Current net worth of the channel is $11.53. This episode we made $9.90. The new net worth is $21.43.